Let's learn irrational numbers. In addition to rational numbers, there are many more numbers on a number line. They are not rational numbers. That is, they are irrational numbers. Root 2 is such an irrational number. We learn how to show the number root 2 on a number line. On a number line, the point A shows the number 1. Draw line L perpendicular to the number line through point A. Take point P on line L such that OA is equal to AP is equal to 1 unit. Draw segment OP. Triangle OAP form is a right angle triangle. By Pythagoras theorem, OP square is equal to OA square plus AP square is equal to 1 square plus 1 square is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. OP square is equal to 2. Therefore, OP is equal to root 2, taking square roots on both the sides. Now, draw an arc with center O and radius OP. Name the point as Q. Where the arc intersects the number line, obviously distance OQ is root 2. That is, the number shown by the point Q is root 2. If we mark point R on the number line to the left of O at the same distance as OQ, then it will be indicated the number minus root 2. Note that we have learned that pi is not a rational number. It means it is irrational. For calculation purpose, we take its value as 22 upon 7 or 3.14, which are very close to pi. But 22 upon 7 and 3.14 are rational numbers. Therefore, all rational numbers are real numbers. There are infinitely many irrational numbers on the number line. Root 2 is an irrational number. Note that the number like 3 root 2, 7 plus root 2, 3 minus root 2, etc. are also irrational numbers. Because if 3 root 2 is rational, then 3 root 2 upon 3 should also be a rational number, which is not true.